ever sense a moment of being adrift, solitary, or outside your comfort zone? Fear not, for these sensations aren't setbacks. They are beacons illuminating your journey forward. This video unveils the profound signs, often overlooked, that signify growth and progress. It guides you through the transformative power of embracing change and discovering strength within solitude. Picture a moment of unexpected realization, a lightning strike of awareness that no one is coming to rescue you. Far from despair, this revelation is a surge of newfound strength, a radiant awakening shaking you to your very core. As we grow, we often place trust in external saviors, seeking guidance from others, a higher power, or the vast universe during challenging times. However, there comes a pivotal point where waiting for a savior becomes akin to anticipating a ship at the airport, an improbable event. This awakening is not a loss, it's a monumental gain. It's about unlocking the understanding that the key to overcoming challenges resides within you. Imagine a caterpillar realizing its destined transformation into a butterfly. Similarly, your challenges are the cocoon, and the power to emerge victorious was within you all along. Embrace these moments of solitude and self-discovery, for they are not mere challenges but affirmations of your immense growth. No longer await external intervention. Recognize the hidden power within and soar towards the heights of your own destiny. The power for transformation was within you all along. The journey from reliance to self-reliance is profound. When you cease looking outward for solutions and start looking inward, you embark on a true journey of self-discovery. It's akin to being lost in a forest only to realize you are the map and compass you've been searching for. Embracing this truth can be daunting, like stepping onto a stage without a script. Yet, this is where life's most meaningful performances unfold. Imagine scripting your own life, making decisions with the realization that every choice shapes your destiny. This shift in perspective isn't just about becoming self-reliant, it's also about redefining faith. Understand that perhaps the divine, whatever your belief, doesn't intend to hand you solutions, but offers tools to craft your own. It's like being given seeds rather than fruits. With the act of planting, nurturing, and growing up to you, this realization is empowering, discovering a reservoir of strength and resilience within you, previously untapped. It's about facing the mirror and seeing not just your reflection, but your ally, your guide, and your savior. This journey towards self-salvation doesn't mean you're alone in the world. It means understanding that while others can support, advise, and love you, the ultimate responsibility for your life is yours. It's about building a boat for yourself when stranded on an island, rather than waiting for a rescue team. In this newfound self-dependence, there's incredible liberation. No longer waiting for external validation or rescue, you become proactive in creating your own destiny. Realize that the pen that writes through a life story is and always has been in your hand. This journey isn't without its trials, like a diamond formed under pressure. Your inner strength and resilience are honed through these challenges. Every obstacle becomes an opportunity to learn, grow, and emerge stronger. Embrace your role as your own hero, becoming a beacon for others. Your journey becomes a testament to the power of self-reliance and inner strength. The realization that no one is coming to save you isn't a message of hopelessness, but a call to awaken your inherent strength. It's a journey from external dependence to internal power, from waiting to action, from uncertainty to clarity. This understanding is the first step toward not just surviving, but thriving in the rich tapestry of life's experiences. This altered perception is not merely a byproduct of being lost. It's a vital condition for the profound journey of self-discovery. In this state of uncertainty, the most fundamental questions arise. Who am I? What is my purpose? Where am I heading? These questions, born from the heart of confusion, prompt a deep dive into the soul. The comfort and predictability of everyday life can sometimes mute these inquiries, but being lost amplifies them, urging us to seek answers. This journey through the wilderness is not a detour, it is the path itself, an odyssey that invites introspection and self-confrontation. Navigating this terrain, the landscape of my inner world started to change. Answers began to surface not from external sources, but from the depths of my own being. Being lost is the catalyst for transformative soul-searching, an opportunity to shed preconceived notions and embark on a quest for genuine self-understanding. Each step in this uncharted territory is a step toward uncovering your true self and your unique purpose. The wilderness experience reshapes our approach to life. When lost, we become more receptive to new directions, willing to explore unfamiliar paths, and open to discovering novel ways of being. It's a process of forging a unique trail, a path less traveled that might someday guide others. There's a paradoxical goal: to find your way back home, not to the place you started from, but to a new understanding of home, a place within yourself. This home is where clarity resides, where your path is no longer shrouded in mist, but illuminated by the light of self-awareness. By embracing being lost, we eventually find our way, a journey that requires courage, patience, and an unyielding desire to discover the essence of our being. The wilderness, with all its uncertainty and fear, becomes a place of growth, enlightenment, and profound understanding. Being lost in the wilderness of life's uncertainties is not a misstep, but a necessary phase of growth. It's a journey that takes you through the depths of introspection, leading to the discovery of your true self and your unique path. This experience, unsettling as it may be, is a profound opportunity for personal transformation when you embark on a path that diverges from the norm. It's akin to sailing against the current. You navigate through waves of skepticism and misunderstanding, often finding yourself solitary in your quest. Yet, this solitude is not a sign of error. It's a testament to the courage it takes to be true to oneself. Being misunderstood can feel like living in a world painted in colors that only you can see. Your vision, dreams, and choices might seem outlandish or impractical to the conventional eye. But remember, the most extraordinary visions were once deemed impossible by the standards of their time. This experience is not just about facing external misunderstanding, it's also about confronting internal doubts. It's a journey of continually reaffirming your convictions, often in the face of unquestioning. Every step on this path is an act of bravery, a declaration that you value your inner voice more than external approval. Embracing your uniqueness in a world that often prizes conformity is like planting a rare flower in a corn garden. You stand out. And while not everyone appreciates the rarity, those who do recognize its beauty find inspiration in its bloom. Feeling misunderstood is also an opportunity for profound personal growth. It compels you to articulate your beliefs and values more clearly, both to yourself and others. It's a process of refining your vision, like a sculptor, chiseling away at marble to reveal the masterpiece within. In this journey is an underlying strength gained, the strength of conviction, the resilience of staying true to your course, even when it's not validated by others. This strength becomes a beacon, guiding you through the fog of doubt and misunderstanding. Moreover, being misunderstood often leads to finding a tribe that resonates with your vision. It's a journey from solitary misunderstanding to communal understanding, where you connect with others who share your frequency. These connections, though they may be few, are deep and rich. In conclusion, feeling misunderstood is not a detour on your life's journey. It's a significant part of the path itself. It's a signal that you're paving your own way, honoring your unique perspective and vision. This path, while lonely at times, is rich with the potential for growth, self-discovery, and the eventual joy of finding like-minded souls. Embrace the solitude that comes with being misunderstood, for it is in this space that your true self flourishes and your most authentic path unfolds. This transformation is about embracing the beauty of the process, focusing on the quality of your steps rather than fixating on the destination. Thank you for watching, and I'm grateful for your support. Please subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts in the comments section. I value your feedback and am always looking for ways to improve my content.